Savan Ramoliya, Director of KSB Machinery LLP, a manufacturer of injection molding machinery. Previously, we were using a ERP system like SAP, SANTI ERP, but we were not seeing the business growth we had hoped for. After implementing SourcePro ERP New Horizon, we have seen a significant improvement in our operations. The system has proven extremely useful in several key areas. In sales, the transaction from inquiry to order is seamless and straightforward. In planning module, order traceability has become much easier. In-house production and outsourced job. Purchasing, it has helped us reduce the unnecessary cost and improve efficiency. In inventory, our live inventory is now integrated into the system, giving us real-time visibility. Additionally, the mobile application has been a game changer. We can now confirm order, share quotation, sales order, and perform invoice directly with client. The purchase order process has also been streamlined, allowing us to authorize and share purchase order with the supplier easily. Overall, the SourcePro ERP has greatly enhanced our operational efficiency and business growth. Thank you.